Hello everyone, my name is Raghu Nandan Lal. I am studying second year in KL University, Computer Science branch. Today, the video blog is about data science. I have selected the topic number 5. The topic number 5 is related to role of data science in healthcare. My ID number is 1900300483. Okay. The steps of processes, the insights of data. The first step is sensors, and the next step in input and output systems. The third step is computing platforms, and the fourth step is developing scalable algorithms. The fifth step is predictive modeling, and last and the final step is output, or where the domain context exists. Data science in healthcare. This is my topic. There are many ways to collect the data and to analyze in a proper way. I have highlighted and found the top 8 applications in healthcare. Firstly, data science for medical imaging. Second, using wearable data to prevent health problems. Third, drug discovery with data science. Fourth, predictive analysis in healthcare. Fifth, monitoring patient health. Sixth, providing virtual assistance. Seventh one, tracking and preventing diseases. Eighth, the last and the final one, optimizing clinic performance through actionable insights. Firstly, we shall go through step-by-step application in detail. Data science for medical imaging. It is used for imaging of thermal scans like CT scan, X-ray, MRI scan. The main aim and focus is of use of data science in health industry is through medical imaging. All these techniques visualize the inner parts of a system, that means body. Traditionally, doctors would manually inspect these images and find the irregularities. However, it is very often and difficult to find microscopic deformities. So they use this in a proper diagnostic way. Through image segmentation, it is possible to search the defects present in the scanned images. This is very useful in the support vector machines, image enhancement and recognition, edge detection, and etc. so on. The second application is using wearable data to monitor and prevent health problems. Like wearables means smartwatches and smart gadgets. Through scientific research, amount of data generated from a human body is equals to 2 terabytes. Due to advancement in technology and advancement in data science, we can now collect all this data about all this data now, and including our heartbeat rate, sleep intervals, blood glucose, stress levels, and even brain activity. Equipped with such amount of health data, scientists are pushing boundaries in health monitoring. In such a way, data science is also applicable, and it is very useful using wearables. Using wearables, data can be monitored and prevent health problems. And using smart devices such as scales and pedometer sources and process pairing patients' behavioral data to create high customized programs. Furthermore, the self-learning algorithm is constantly improved as it sources more patient data from the system. The application is drug discovery with data science. We can also discover drugs within the with data science. Can we predict the problem statement, or we can say it as, can we predict public data systematically? Can we use public data to systematically predict relationships between drugs and diseases? Drug discovery is very highly complicated, and it is very highly expensive, and it is also more time consuming. It involves more heavily financial expenditure, and it also takes high testing. Data science and machine learning algorithms are revolutionizing this process and providing extensive insights into optimizing and increasing the success rate by decreasing the time rate and the cost rate accordingly. The fourth step is predictive analysis in healthcare. Through this step, we can predict the healthcare problems through the predictive analysis models. Healthcare is more important domain for predictive analysis. It's one of the most popular topics in health analysis. It finds various correlations and associated symptoms, finds habits, diseases, and makes meaningful predictions. Predictive analysis is playing an important role in improving patient care, chronic diseases, disease management and increasing the efficiency of supply chains and pharmaceutical logistics. And also, population health management is becoming an increasingly popular topic in predictive analysis. Through the predictive analysis, we or the doctors predict how much the population would be, and it would grow in a few more years from now. It is a data-driven approach. With data science, hospitals can predict the deterioration in patients' life and provide preventive measures. It can start an early treatment. Furthermore, predictive analysis plays an important role in monitoring the logistic supply of hospitals and pharmaceutical departments. The fifth application is monitoring patients' health. This is nothing but doctors taking care of his patient or a nurse taking care of his or her patient's health very seriously. Okay, data science plays a vital role in IoT, Internet of Things. These are the things where that are present as wearable devices that track heartbeat, temperature, and other medical parameters and users. Data is collected and is analyzed with the help of data science. With the help of analytic tools, doctors are able to keep tracks of the patient's collection, cardiac system, and the blood pressure and the temperature of the patient's body. And also, other than wearable monitoring sensors, doctors can monitor patients' health through home devices. From patients that are chronically ill, there are several systems that track patients' movements, monitor physical parameters, and analyze the patterns that are present in the data. The sixth step is providing virtual assistance. This is one of the major upcoming topics in the data science used in the present model. Through this virtual assistant, it's nothing but an AI program through which the patients can access in any critical condition through the virtual agent where there is no availability of any doctor or any medical services. With the help of the disease predictive modeling, data scientists have developed a comprehensive virtual platform that provides assistance to the patients. Like, for the example, virtual assistants. Like, if you tell the virtual assistant what are the problems with you, it analyzes it and it provides what are the tablets and medicines you have to be taken to well soon. Patients who suffer from psychological problems like depression, anxiety, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's can make use of these virtual applications, help them in their daily lives. With the help of this platform, with the help of these platforms, a patient can enter his or her symptoms in the input and gets insights about the various possible diseases based on the confidence rates. Okay, the next step or the next application. The seventh application is tracking and preventing the disease. This step is also one of the crucial steps in the data science application in data science used in healthcare. This is for tracking and preventing the disease using the surveillance systems to prevent chronic control over chronic diseases. Vital role in monitoring patients' health and notifying necessary steps to be taken in order to prevent potential disease. In many extreme cases, there are instances where due to negligibility, diseases are not caught at an early stage. For example, now we are facing COVID pandemic. The tracking of the COVID pandemic has not been done very seriously. So it has expanded a very lot, and the adverse effects of COVID-19 is very adverse and it's very effective. There are several instances where AI has played a huge role in detecting diseases at an early stage. Researchers at the University of Campinas in Brazil has developed an AI platform that can diagnose Zika virus using metabolic markers. You know, Zika virus is one of the major and very complicated virus. Through this AI system platform, we can diagnose Zika virus using metabolic markers. The eighth application of data science in healthcare is optimizing clinic platform. The eighth step, the eighth step, the eighth application of data science in healthcare is optimizing clinic performance through actionable insights like analytic model, improved outcomes, data warehouse, sensing the data. omics the data, electronic health record, public health record, clinical data. This all will collect the data through and it sends to the data warehouse. The data warehouse is where it's connected to the analytics process. Through in the analytic process, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Through this, finally we get the improved outcomes, smarter and cost-effective decisions. Through optimizing clinic performance, like reducing the patient's patient's medicine bill rate and reducing the bill rate of the patient's room rent. Data science and machine learning can be used to optimize clinical staff scheduling, like and reduce the wait times, manages supplies, accounting, and even building efficient action programs for epidemics. The two products, Amplify and Engage, are adopted mostly by the enterprise level organization and used to interpret the data sourced from the clients and employees. Thus, the program provides valuable recommendations and actionable insights, providing the organizations improve performance and engagement. The next slide is about healthcare conditions of today's generation. We find that through the data analytic approach, there are 3 out of 10 members suffering from the direct addiction, mainly students at the age of 18 to 25. And also 5 out of 10 parents are suffering from diabetes and blood pressure. And not only parents, nowadays the students in the age below 25 to 18 to 25 are also getting the disease, that is diabetes, due to the lack of certain exercises. Data science in healthcare. Data science improvements over a decade. In my approach, I think that data science has improved a 95% rate over a decade. Data science in healthcare has improved a 76%, and it needs to be increased till up to the mark. Okay. Finally, overall rating myself is, I think, about 80%. And summary, the final inference. In the end, I conclude that the data science has many applications in healthcare. The medicine and healthcare industry has a heavily utilized data science for the improving lifestyle of patients and predicting diseases at an early stage. Further known, with advancements in medical image analysis, it is possible for doctors to find microscopic tumors that were otherwise hard to find. Science has revolutionized healthcare and the medical industry in large ways. Hope this article helped you learn how healthcare data scientists are using data science. If there is anything you want to ask, comment below. We will definitely respond back. Thank you. Thank you.